Testing, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna start recording. Two. Okay. We're gonna do. Yeah, fuck yeah. Wait, I think I know what the problem was. Good. Who cares? I'm gonna start.
Извини, много ми е тежко било да
No, it's fine. So what the problem was is here it said audio track, but I thought it meant audio tracks, the amount of tracks. But no, this is the one, like, which track should I stream? And only one is to everything. So yeah. I'm gonna need you to be there to check my thingamajig. So you can hear me on both, just to confirm. Testing. Okay, you can hear me on both, correct? I'm sorry, I know. They're not happy to say. Just put me on this, yeah. I need to pop the chats out so I can see both of them at the same time. Can I somehow keep on top? I'm probably keeping on top. So both chats, I have everything here. Do I announce it on my thingamajig?
What do you mean?
On Discord. And how do I do it?
What do you announce?
Yes. Okay, but where? I create a channel up. Maybe.
Yes, just add.
At everyone.
Yes.
Is it fun if I add everyone? Fine. Yes. Live coding chess robot. I can't spell his name. Leads competition unstable. Why do you mean I'm unstable? Helpful. The fuck you mean I'm stable? It's like perfectly fine. Liar. Inspect my. Okay, that's not nice. What's for challenge? Watch me live on chat. YouTube. On the rush. Oh, it's on top. Control. This is cool. How easy it is for me to just put it on top.
Need chats.
Huh?
You don't need chat.
I can't see if I don't have chats what people type.
What you sound already?
Yeah, I'm not gonna chat. I just want to see if there's people. If people want to chat.
But так ти не вкладає.
And also, how do I? Thank you, pets. Shit, I guess. Okay. I think this is how links work. Can you please check if everything is okay on this?
I'm gonna do once at a time. I can't have.
No, of course you don't need them both at the same time. Just in the Discord to see if links work, because I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna test it.
I thought about the thingy, and the echo was too much.
I'm trusting you.
And
I hate how it. Why does it look so bad?
it works.
What works?
Both of them.
Hello. Testing, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna try to. Who is N? Who's people? I don't remember people. Copy link. Blah blah. Well, people get here. I'm gonna try share this on one more place, and then I'm gonna see how it goes. Are you okay? No, I'm guessing. Hello, Jack. I'm still live on Twitch. Followed me. I think it's the same Jack that I talked the other time on YouTube. And yeah, hello. I'm finally back doing things. I still don't know how to type. How are you, Jack? Okay. I guess I'm not posting on Reddit. I can't. I'm glad you're good. I'm fine. I thought I could in the yes. Doing it together.
I need like turn off the white light.
Uh-huh.
Like
What? Okay, don't worry. I'll be there, Jack. I'm fine. Thank you for that. To watch both streams at the same time. Do you want to go lay down?
maybe it's
Okay, come on, let's go. Hey,
What
where the streams go?
to play a bit.
Relax. Let's go. And let me put it up so you can relax.
It's my careful like not handling and
I know. I forgot to turn the mic. We are fine. Are you fine, bro? If you need anything, call me. Okay, I'm there, back. And possibly other viewers. I don't know if you exist. Oh, it's true. I was working on some scripts and it's hard to do them. I figured out again. So I was like, let's do a side project on the side project of writing script. So, and this has a time limit, so I have to do it. I don't know if you saw it. It's, if you know the guy, this guy, Sebastian. I'm not gonna pronounce his last name because I don't know how to say it. But this guy, he is a very good YouTuber, and he posted a coding challenge a month ago. Oh shit, almost 2 months ago, about making a chessboard, and he's gonna put them all in a big fight, and then the best bot wins, or the something bot wins. But it has a limit of if we go to the chess, it has a limit of there's a capacity of 1024 tokens. These tokens. So each one of these is practically a token. So I can only have 1024 tokens for the thing for the bot. And now I have to make the best bot ever, and I don't even know how chess bots work, so I hope for the best. This is the default bot. It works perfectly. And it also, the thing provides also an evil bot, which is a very simple bot that just like, I don't know what it does. We can together see what it does. Moves to play, all moves. Pick the random bot, highest value capture. Find highest value capture. Okay. Well, it's easy. It tries to find the best capture, and if it can checkmate, it does that. And then this bot that we have to work on just does the first legal move it can get, which is not much. And this thing has a very nice UI. This thing, and you can do human versus my bot. So I can fight myself, or bot versus bot, or my bot versus the evil bot, or I can implement another bot and just play against him, which I'm not gonna do. Of course, of course. Don't worry. Don't worry. Yes, it's in C#, which I have zero clue how it. I have some clue how it works. It's not that hard when you know more than one language. It has already a lot of stuff implemented, like the legal moves. He implemented a lot of stuff, so it's like easy to test to see if you can get a correct, I don't know, output. It checks if it's in a draw, if it's a stalemate, is a 50 move draw, I don't know what it means. Is the repeated position and stuff like that. So you only need to do the thinking part of the bot, not the checking part, which don't know how to do. So I'm gonna have to think on that one. I don't even know how the API works or how a bot works, but we can do this bot is very bad. If we run it, it's gonna lose 1,000 out of 1,000 times because it literally moves 1-to-1 every time. The scoring system here works. So the first number, thank you, you're also my favorite Steam and Media Mouse. The first number, the plus, is the wins, equal is the stalemate, and minus is the losses. So my bot has 3 equal rounds, or stalemates, or stalemates, and 14 loses. The correct word that I can't remember. The easiest thing to do probably would be to just at least get a random move next. Perfect. And this is at least gonna do it a bit better. The evil bot isn't the smartest, but my bot is much less smart. Love it too. Exactly, once out of a million because it's random. Read only, I guess, when you don't. No. On random, read only is an attribute that it says I should do. It's not an error, but it's like you should probably do it because I don't ever reset it. RNG random. There's also a limit on which APIs you can use. You can only use chess challenge.api, system numeric, System collections, generic system link, and not as parallel. Yeah, practically like constant. Like, yeah, you set it once and it's damn there. And this bot is a tiny little bit better. How what? I don't think it saves any state. Uh, so read only it's a constant variable, but it can have inside state. So it's like you can't change what the RNG is pointing to, but RNG itself can change. Yeah. If you've done TypeScript, practically that, uh, or JavaScript in general, if you have const and let, in const you can change the attributes of the values, but in let you can't. We're moving between streams, which are like, that's more viewers to me. It counts on both sides, both sides, so engagement is up. Which extension for these thingies is the best? I don't know. I've heard of multiple ones, like Twitch something and stuff like the something TV. I don't remember, but I know there's multiple ones for custom ones. Ah, yeah, that's not to me because I don't have. You have Prime Gaming badge. If I ever get enough viewers to get subscribers, use to me. Uh, what I remember from the video is that this is a good idea. Maybe to have like values for pieces. So of course, if you take queen, it's much better than if you take a pawn. So you put it some values, and then it's like, oh, okay, if I what is the best highest value capture, and it tries to do that. It just literally this code. Uh, I'm tempted to just copy paste, but I have to see what I can do. Move the target square. Piece type. Piece type. Piece highest capture value. Move to play highest value capture. Move to play is more highest. Yeah, of course. That's it, a simple one. Let's let's copy paste this to see the amount of. It's probably say I make file. Wait. Okay, I'm not gonna do that because that's one more token that I can't waste. This is above a tenth of the code I can have, which is not good. Pass go one by one and find the next best out of 5 feature. Yeah, that's probably the best you can undo move. So I can take it into multiple steps to find the best one. What do you mean free the tokens? 300, 300, 400,000. To have. Well, the token isn't how much memory, or is it? It's not how much memory you're using. It's how much code you wrote. And I think there is a memory requirement, but it's not. Okay. Can't not use more than 256 megabytes of memory. You can create some data. I can't have more than 1,000 tokens in code, but I can make a very big array and then generate it and use that. But I can't have more than 1,000 words in quotation marks. So this is a token, this is a token, this. Every one of these is a token. Which is why I decided to participate in this, because if it was without limits, I would never win. So I wouldn't even want to do that. Yeah, you can store, well, there is a limit of 256 megabytes, but I don't think anyone is, me especially, isn't gonna have that, that much of a limit. Yeah, memory limit in C#. And let's see. Yeah, we can try to make multiple best moves and see how it goes then. How would I do that? Hey, practically, like how many the instructions, there is probably many instructions for each token, especially like new, and in the is called rng.new random, right? Thank you. And it does like 3,000 codes, like lines behind. But yeah. Oh, in assembly. Oh, God forbid. I can do maybe 3 lines of assembly. I can do assembly code, but I would never want to write it. Like the most I've written is for like to print to standard output for when I did my programming language, because I wanted to see the output of the memory, but I did not know. But for that, I needed to call assemblies to do that, which was awful. And another thing was converting 4 bytes into a unique code. What was the name? Code point. Yeah, for Linux you just do the syscall and it works. But for Windows, you practically it also has syscalls, but they are so frequently changed and stuff that it's just impractical to do it, and you just DLL something. I had to write this in like what was it, in assembly, so that wasn't fun. I can find it. You can find multiple stuff. Let's go with it. And also syscalls. This one. Right. So Rax is 1, FD 0, and char. But yeah, just let me find the thing. I have work here, so I have to be very. What was the? Oh, here it is. Rewrite. Source. This is like C code. This is awful. I would love to make something more complex in FizzBuzz is pretty simple. You can get faster than assembly for that, though. Is token maybe? No, no. It was compiler maybe. So let's. And then can I do? Yeah, this is assembly. So this is the function for printing characters. Yeah, now I remember. So what I needed to do is for Linux, you can only practically print out UTF-8, which is just 8 bytes, 8 bits, so 1 byte. But I had, I wanted to support Unicode, which is 4 bytes. But it's you don't print each byte one by one. What you do is you have to transform it into different bytes and then print them out separately. So that's this code. It's not anything hard. It was just painful. We get it, and then literally it's just, is it bigger than this? It is. Okay, we move it here. We end or move, and it's practically just end or move, end or move, end or move. And some left and right shifts, and that's that. It's not complicated, it's just long. And you get lost in it very easily, but other than that, it's fine-ish. There's probably like a million hidden stuff here. Now, let's try this bot thing. Test it. So multiple mode. Best. And chat modes. And chat 3, something like that. And max. And I don't know like this. And these errors are complicated. Return 0. Yep. So while max 7 0, otherwise practically do this. Small, but for like 5. So let's think about this. So I'm gonna move 1. one. Move. For now, let's get the board. So I'm gonna try to multiple times hold this move once, move once to call it multiple times, check the best results, and then move back. Try again and again and see what for like 5 moves or something. Find the best 5 moves, check again, which is gonna be like 5, 120 moves, maybe. I don't know, maybe it's gonna be more. I'm gonna try this first and then see where it goes. Transition. Oh my god, you can do it. Promise you. Just a second, I'm fighting with this. Do you hear any music? To do plus perfect. Is there some music now? Because there was supposed to be music before. Is it too loud? If it is, I'm gonna lower it. I hope it's not. Move once. And this is gonna. Yeah, that's good. Plus. Res. Move. Small. I keep forgetting. I always have a problem when I go from like Rust and TypeScript back to like normal languages, where it's like first the type then the name and not the name then type, because I completely start going score and then it does this. Rust is good, I agree. I've been writing a script for Rust for like my year in Rust, and I didn't know I had so many fucking projects with it. And I was like, fuck, this is gonna take some time. I've done like, I finished maybe 3 projects writing about them, and it's already like good 8 minutes, 9 minutes, and I have a few more to blab on about, so I hope that does well. Well, exactly. Nice. Can I? Well, stvarno proč. Audio. Raz. Thank you. My bot all once. Public? there is a lot to talk about in the video about this, what you sent. I don't think I've ever used dynamic din that it actually worked. I don't think it worked once when I tried to use it. It's probably a me problem, but I don't know how to use it at all. Yeah. I hate it. It just doesn't work and it's awful. Sure, what's public here? Yeah, public here. Public here. No problem. Yeah, that was probably the problem that I didn't box it. Yeah. Or maybe. No, I don't think I box it, but I would. No, makes sense that I need to box. Yeah, makes sense. Sense. I hate it. It does indeed make sense. So board.move. I'm certain it does. Yes, it is. It's not technically slower. I mean, it is slower, but depending on how much code you're gonna write, it gets painful not to use. Because I know from. Let's open this thing. Okay, brother, please. Here. From JSX in Rust. JSX. Look at all of this. This is why you should use dynamic dispatch. Just so you don't have to deal with this crap. I did this and I changed it. I changed something in here and then I have to change it in like 20 more places because I forget. Thankfully, no one actually has to write any of this stuff because it's done usually with a very complicated JSX macro. But for this thing in particular, I had to do it. How did I? By hand, because it had to do some custom logic, which is awful. And I hope no one ever has to do anything like that. But yeah, it's usually done with these macros right here. So I'm thankful and I don't have to ever write anything like this ever again. Let's see. Make more. CSharp. Plus selection. I can just make them public. I don't want public. I want to see if there's anything like. What's that? Record? Types. Yes, I want this record. Thank you. Then look, of course, I know that I'm going to do this. This is the only public one. Everyone else doesn't have to do that. This is capital. Ain't no way they have to be with start capitals. No, they do. What the hell? Why? I'm not gonna do that. I will fuck it. Make off. Check 3. Board. Current. Let's undo off. Int value plus 4. Check. According to this structure. List on university structure. Pupils. Really? More. Oh, that's even better. Move. And support. Wow. Check 3. Oh, what do I do? Okay, this doesn't make much sense. So let's try this. Not to see, check. Nice. One. Selection. I should check 3 of a move probably. So move. And do I like to copy paste a lot of stuff and then just comment it out. How do you put stuff out? Move. Three of a move, but what move? Hey. This is completely not how it should be done. What the hell? Let me try to think. It's still fine. That's a you problem, Twitch. A you problem. Let's see if it's a checkmate. Yes, we just do that. If it's not a checkmate, so we find the best move. Now, for every move, how do I do this? So board the legal moves. For each move I pull this once again. Probably. Yeah. So I pull this here with the board. Then I hold it again. I need to do something like that. Don't need a constant. Oh, bless you, bless you. Let's think about this. So if it's this, I should do that. If it's not, I get the piece. I get the piece. Then I get this. Board of move. Move. And do this move. Nope. I do move once. Board. Plus one. And that's spot for do I need this? Yes, I do need the move. Not for me, but for Maki. Go to this squad. Then I can board it. And do move. Capture piece. Capture piece value. Plus squad. About the squad plus this value. This collector that has captured this. If current is equal to 5, then return no. No and 0. Yeah, this is the brow checker, but in CSharp. For the not nullability, but I don't think. Aspetta, potendo adesso so come on. The circle will not move once, but let's see. The problem is I don't know if each is mine then the second person, then mine then the second person. That's the problem. I wanna try to do that. I wanna see who who's making the move turn. How do I do system out print line in here? CSharp console. Thank you. You're like my Google console. Right line. Well, you're like ChatGPT. It is, you're correct. It's perfectly okay. Of course, there's a problem. That's the problem. Thankfully, I don't care about this. So everything is weird, including the casing in C#. I wanna human. So I'm gonna guess it has a problem. But that's just a guess. Or is it not a problem? I don't know. What is it? What? I'm trying to think. Well, there is make move and undo move. So what I'm doing is, so the thing is, I can so what I tried is human versus my bot. I play versus it. But the problem is this. I don't know if this is a problem with my bot or if it's taking this long. So this is certainly not me. It does say false. What I'm guessing, the problem is that there's too many moves. So the problem is I can't play because the bot takes too long to play. It just keeps crashing, I think. Move once. So because I wanna see. So moves at 0. Console, right line. Well, it does have a limit. In time, but instead of it, I think it just crashes the bot on purpose if it's overtime. I think, I don't know. Let's see this. I wanna see. So it's 20. And 20 like this is a bit too much. So what I'm gonna do, instead of having this stuff, is I'm gonna find the 5 best moves and then go off them. First find the 5 best moves, then deeper, and so on, because this has like 20 factorial moves to try, or 20, it's not maybe 20 factorial, but it's still a lot of moves. 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. 3 million moves to test. Because I set it for like 5. Which is a bit too much, I think. if I did it like 3, maybe it could do it. Well, the depth was 2, but even 5, even that was too much. Okay, now it's too fast because of this. And it did a move. It did a move. It only took it a long time, but it did the move. So there's a lot of true and false in here. So I'm guessing I'm playing it. Okay. I keep forgetting I'm not. I can't just close the terminal. It took it almost 4 seconds to check the best move. Every time I play, I feel like I keep getting worse. Oh, smarter than me. I'm stupid. How I missed the rook hitting the rook? I need to check for a lot of stuff. A list of which whose problem is me being stupid too. Yes, that is smart. I'm gonna check for danger. So this is why I wanted to see this. Is white to move? Because I think I play for myself first, then for the other player, then for myself. So bot me bot. So I need to find its best move and then subtract that from the score instead of adding it. Yes. You do. If you understand what I mean. Yes? Of course. The best bot in history of bots. I'm somehow still gonna... Yeah, I need to check for a lot of stuff. I'm gonna try all of that. I see it getting better. The less moves there is. How do I... I'm stupid. I'm gonna try my bot versus the evil bot and see how it goes. Mine is taking a lot more. I crashed it. The more you know. So what I'm guessing happened is there is no more legal moves to be done. So or legal moves of 1 equal to 0. Yeah. There was probably like a 0, and I tried to do add 0, and it didn't exist, so it died. Let me remove the console log, and it might be faster. because writing is very slow. Oh, it's much faster. Look how much faster it is. It doesn't take 4 seconds anymore to write to do something. My bot is still worse than the evil bot, which is simpler. Okay, but what I wanna see is if I or okay, if I yeah, I'm not checking to danger. Current percent to 0. The 26 minutes of complete spot. Plus equals else. I remember the VS code lines. Plus equals. But for safety, but my bot is still slower than it. Yeah, danger is hard to do. Yeah, there's no. I should actually do it this way, I think. I don't care much. Thank you for thinking, but even I don't think that much, so I thought I won. Oh, I won once. Twice. It's getting smarter. IO is slow everywhere, but it's especially slow in Windows for some reason. I won. I'm getting better. I'm winning more. Not by much, but I'm winning more. Let's see out of like 20 games if I'm gonna have at least 5 wins. The answer is probably not. Yeah, we can hope. So the answer is I'm not gonna have. You should. It's fun. Then we can put each other's bot one against each other. Fight for the worst bot ever made. I don't know how to do this. But it's somehow working. I'm gonna. Instead of doing it like this, which is fine, I'm gonna try to find the best 5 moves, and then on those 5 moves try to branch out only them. because 20 moves is a bit too much to branch out for everyone. Because if I wanna try like just 5 deep, it's like 3 million. But for like 5, it's like 120, which means I can probably go like to at least like 7, 8 depth. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Probably even 10 isn't all that much. Maybe even here we could try 5. See how it goes then. It should be faster, but I don't know how much faster, but faster-ish with the... So the answer is it's not fast enough. It takes it 10 seconds to think of a move because of how many it has to do. Depth of 4. Please tell me. Thank you, you ate the queen. Okay, this is stupid because only the king is moving left, right, left, right, left, right, and unless we need to eat something, in which case something else moves. Oh, this is so stupid. I would call this my bot sucks. Yep. He doesn't see danger at all. Somehow that was an equal fight. Repetition. Then I can't watch this no more. I'm gonna commit this so I have at least some code to go back to. And then I'm gonna go and try to do something else for like half an hour to 45 minutes, and then I need to go to sleep. My sleeping schedule is completely broken. Right, something. Selected, so at least it has continuous. Commit. Okay. See you later, Jack. I'm glad to have you here. See you. Yes, yes. Jack has to go. I'm here alone. No, don't worry. Thank you. I can understand you completely.
Seems that it warms my soul.
Good. See. constant. Sorted. No, I cannot handle them. Middle northwest. Sure. Sorted chat will probably be the best. What should I do? What should I do?
Computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
Oh, there's a source. Not source. Yeah, I can pump this. More somewhere at last. I'm gonna do this. Do what? I'm gonna do this, so move the movement into abstract. That works. Interact data movements. Okay. Computer. Plus. Primitive string. Let's do this. Computer, please. Read online. Computer high and low. Degrees. Oh, it's me, my only fan. What did Space member. What does it want? Does not implement interface under. Did I not? This fuck is fucking with me 100%. Percento. Let's see. Compare. Survived, I think. Not yet, but beta. No? Yeah. Let's see now that I fix this. Move. This neither do I need any of this. Instead of doing this file, more stuff. It was the mouse. And when I have watch pen up and it's okay. 100. Okay. In case not then done for plus fun as you can do it. Let's more more plus more once or plus one. What is this thing? I hope this works for that one. What's this? So let's just look at the conservative. Yeah. So it's best if I have removes. The boards. Full squad. Squad. What's the squad? What's up? Yeah, why is this? No, I want to add it to the. Zero. Let's try this one. Practically 0, but What do you mean with click on object of the data? Example. Well, no. Eyes. We'll have it once. It's fast closing. I'll do it 5. That's what I wanna know. Okay, it's as fast in big quotation marks as the one which there's so score minus the rest plus. You get this value. No. Right. 3.0 0 well otherwise is so that is 0. So this number plus or minus, so this one it's is positive minus this, otherwise it's both plus. You can do just plus. What does it have as a move name? Once the petition table again board piece list. Get this. white robot. And I got this. Yes, no. Okay, I need to find square. Square. Square, yes, but it was square. Will at some point know how it works. No, it is. Oh. Empty array CSharp. Empty array. Okay, I guess I'm going to list. Well, no. No. Default and let's see. Oh, yes. Image of person. That's good. Positions. No. So I have a move and I will positions to push add. No. Oh, I started that. Oh, actually, that's what starts. No position, but nice for positions. construct square and then dot well, yes. Type of result and position of square is equal to square target square. If it's the same case and the same target, where we should yeah, so it isn't a pawn, it's same piece and same square. We're gonna just because we don't want anything to go back. Position. Wait. Oh. And then move that one, move that yes. No, good was. I don't know what this move. Starting. One. And then I can do some move. And then I can position the top. Move. Positions. Was at the bench. Data. Let's try. If positions, elements of sort of condition. So condition is that it's not a pawn. All that piece are the same type, and then I started to be and then the start. So maybe it's gonna work better this way. That's not good. So when I test for a move, I test air positions, which is the position now, start square, because I don't want it to end up at any point on this square again. So this square, and then when the move, I see that the start isn't the same as at the end. Something fell from my hand, don't worry. Seems been doing worse with this. Start a pawn, and it's the same piece type. We don't even add that. The most I set it to 0. So we don't want to end up at the same point more than one. So can I even think now? And my current is 10. Zero. So what do I need to do? If it's a checkmate, I return it. If it ends up on the same place as one of my old moves, I want to discard it. Maybe like this, and then else. You want to look for something, I don't know. Shouldn't be doing that. That's like No. Do not eat it. Why is it so stupid? I feel like it's doing exactly the opposite of what I wanted to do. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, what's this one? This one. What? Not. This is gonna somehow do better. If it does not somehow do better, I'm gonna be surprised. So confused because I don't care if it's not. You know, that I can understand. That's a good thing. Yeah, let's try it. They can't change anything, so still doesn't do anything. Oh. Stringify. One. Four. Huh? Date. Can't do this. Some small amount more and then we're done. Search. More. Why so little? There's 20 moves, but I somehow get only so I want to say it's not the same. They can't compare it. So that's the problem. Oh. If the moves are the same, we just skip them, I think. And there should never be two equal. If there are, it's wrong. So if two equal moves. How do I complete that? Where's the list? Let's sort it. Sort. Brains. Oh, no, you. Oh, oh. Something. Yeah, what's up? So, let's watch. We can do fire. Almost half capacity, and it still sucks. And it can be insufficient material. I don't know what that means. Makes sense, I guess. I won once out of like 20, where the other thing won 3 times, which isn't good. And this was good.
Welcome home, Columbia. Beautiful, beautiful. Discovery 4 computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions. Liftoff of mission 41B, the first flight of the orbiter Discovery, and the shuttle has cleared the tower.
Discovery Houston, trim to ATO.
I hate this. Oh my fucking word. Of course it's making awful moves. I'm stupid. This is much better. And this whole time, I was wondering why it seemed like it didn't even take what I wrote to fix it, to do it. What happened is I didn't return from the right array. I had an array of all the moves and then an array of best moves. And I returned always from the moves. It certainly works better now for what you thought. why it works with 100? I don't know. Cool. So the pass score somehow is a 1. The least bad one. These are not good scores. Why is it so bad? What if the score is already in a minus? So that's probably the problem. So what I have is, for example, now is the score of 0. The next is 5. Next is 9. Is 0. I should minus this one. This one, yes. Yes, in 5 minutes. Okay, don't worry. So what I know. So this should be like 7. What I do is 0. And then if I'm on this path, no, let's go here. So this here is minus 3 plus, let's go like this. Minus 3 plus 8, and that gives us we're gonna put these two into a 5. Then we go into a 10, which is here. So that's whole score, which is 5. Yeah, that's not good, because this should combine these two. It doesn't combine these two. Oops. Map. C#. C# map. طبعا. So current so is that this is taking time than I remember. It's a big one, it's cool. That's about 100 case. Let's see the mode of this. I feel like my bot is a bit smarter. I feel like my bot is a bit smarter, but it still doesn't seem that smart. I know. Don't worry. I'm going. Don't worry. No, don't worry. Thank you. Fine. So, I'm gonna. Let's see. Can I do this in 10 seconds? So, it's more to. So I can get the last position. So even this. Started. Even though I have 4 times more code, I still am worse than the deep, which doesn't leave me much hope. Jesus. Position it's a move. Okay. Yes, I'm all of this. Okay, so I'm gonna leave some comments for me here. So, so only needed my only positions. Then it could be other. Yes. Okay. If the other team it's a piece, you just move with this okay, because this is at the end of the stream. We had a lot of people. No, we only had our friend Jack. That's one person, not a lot of people. Yes, yeah. Thank you for being here. I hope everything recorded correctly for me, because if it didn't, I'm gonna cry. But yeah, thank you. It went okay, I think. Well, it's recording what's shown on the screen. It's different. I know. I mean, I have Twitch, YouTube, and my local version, which is better. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Probably tomorrow here at the semi-ish time, doing the semi-ish thing. Probably we're gonna try this. I think this is very important, and this is also very important. So let's do it. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.